Welcome to Northern Ireland. Many of Game of Thrones' recurring sets like the Iron Throne are filmed at Painthall Studios in Belfast. Gary Lightbody, originally from Bangor in County Down, is an Irish singer, songwriter, guitarist and multi-instrumentalist. He is best known as the lead singer and rhythm guitarist of the alternative rock band Snow Patrol. Bushmills Irish Whiskey is famous all over the world. It has over 400 years of history and heritage behind it. Licence was first granted to make whisky in County Antrim in 1608, but the Bushmills distillery didn't become official until 1784. The RMS Titanic, which was built in Belfast, was a luxury steamship. It sank in the early hours of the 15th of April 1912 off the coast of Newfoundland in the North Atlantic after side-sweeping an iceberg during its maiden voyage. Of the 2,240 passengers and crew on board, more than 1,500 people lost their lives in the disaster. George Best was a Northern Irish professional footballer who played as a winger, spending most of his club career at Manchester United. A highly skillful dribbler, Best is regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. Jordanstown Schools, based in County Antrim, is a school for children with visual and auditory impairments. The school has been open for 189 years. Children are also given the opportunity to learn Braille. Thank you for joining us at the 2020 General Assembly of the International Council on English Braille.